So Terra Classic is still doing very well. We're going to be talking about all the most recent news coming out on Terra Classic. We're also going to be talking about the incoming pump and much more. So if that sounds good to you, make sure that you guys watch until the end of the video so you don't miss any of this extremely important information I'm about to give to you guys, as well as leave a like and subscribe, as you don't want to miss out on any of this new Terra Classic news. But anyways, let's talk about Terra Classic and what has been going on since I last made a video. So Terra Classic currently ranked number 210 in the world with a $834 million market cap and a volume of about 200 million, which is down 33% over the past 24 hours. However, it's still very good. And also, we're up 2%, doing 2% better than Bitcoin, 1% better than Ethereum, so outperforming the market pretty well. When we take a look at the historical data and the volume in particular, you can see that we're still doing well above $100 million, which is kind of my support. I don't want the volume to go any lower than $100 million, as we will only see 1 to 2% gains or losses if we do go below $100 million. If we stay above $100 million, we can see anywhere from 7 to 10, even 15% gains in one day. And if we get into that $500 million area, we can see even like 20 to 30% jumps as well. So that's kind of where the sweet spot that we want to be in. But anyways, we're going to be talking about the great week that UST and Lunc had, as well as my price predictions at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stick till the end for that. Before we get into the news, I do want to mention that you can get a free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock with public.com. Public.com is a social investing network where you can see what your favorite investors are buying and selling in the stock and crypto markets. So go ahead and get your free stock with that second link or first link in the description. Other than that, let's go over Terra Classic and their trends. So if you guys don't know, quantifiedcrypto.com is going to be a way where you can check the technical scores, the technical analysis in a very easy way. We're not sponsored by them, by the way, but you can see that Terra Classic is currently ranked 69, meaning it's slightly bullish, very close to very bullish as well, doing very well on the trends for the past 15 minutes to 2 hours. So we're looking pretty solid here with Terra Classic according to Quantified Crypto, which is very good. But here's going to be the article for today. Terra's crypto tokens, UST and Luna Classic, mysteriously pumped this week. UST climbed by 470%. Basically they say during the last 7 days, Lunc has risen 96%, and the one stablecoin, UST, has increased by 470%. So yeah, let's talk about how that could have happened. I'm just skipping, by the way, the basically description of what happened. At this point, if you're investing in Terra Classic, you already know what happened. But anyways, Lunc has a market valuation of about 812 million. Right now, it's actually sitting at about 832 million, but you know, who's counting? But with 6.9 trillion Lunc in circulation, there's about 10 billion UST circulating right now, which gives UST a market valuation of about 477 million. UST holders, surprisingly, if you don't know, UST is the stablecoin, are still using Anchor protocol, which basically collapsed, as 573 million UST is still locked in the system. The Anchor savings protocol on the Terra station, while it promises 16% annual yield, who knows if they'll actually fill that though. Furthermore, Defilma statistics indicate that there are 9.23 million Lunc held on DeFi risk management marketplace Risk Harbor. The Terra Classic chain and Luna Classic still have a fairly active community. So basically this is saying, hey, we still have a very strong community here going with Terra Classic. Terra Classic still has active validators as well, and just recently a governance proposal was introduced that would give validators a universal minimum commission of 10%. One particular validator called Lunc DAO, told its 29,000 Twitter followers that the validator was against the minimum commission rate of 10%. So right now that's at a 37% vote in favor, 25% voted no on that. Meanwhile, the new Luna 2.0 token had a lackluster week compared to Lunc. Basically, Luna 2.0 was only up 7%, while Lunc was up about 96%, and then also UST being up about 470%. So yeah, it's pretty much all we had going on in the Terra Classic since my last video. So yeah, I do want to mention, guys, you can join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description, and you're going to get free stock option alerts as well as crypto alerts. So go ahead and join with the second link in the description. It's a very great community. I don't think you will regret it. Anyways, let's go into our technical analysis here. You can see that we have found pretty much our new supports and resistances here. We broke that support at the 12.5 level. We went down below for a minute there, and now it looks like we are starting to see less volume and more of a consolidation. And the new resistance is going to be at about the 14 level. The new support is going to be about the 12 level. So we're going to be trading between that 12 and 14 level. Whichever way it breaks first, I would assume is going to be whether we are bearish or bullish. So if it goes below 12, we will most likely be bearish for a little bit. If it goes above 14, we can see another pump here soon. So yeah, that's pretty much what I see with these technical analysis. But other than that, that's going to be it for today. Make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. It's going to be it for me. I'm Zach with Finance Bro. Take it easy.